Okay, so I don't know what I recorded last. I know that I think it was the sprocket. I changed out the front sprocket because I thought there was a 13 on the front, but there was already a 14. So I didn't get it on video, but I put another one on. It's a 15 tooth, and I changed the rear from a 51 to a 50 in the back, and I haven't taken it for a ride. I gotta try to figure out why it's so bouncy when I'm riding. I did get new turn signals. These ones right here that are already on it. They're not bright and they're really close in, and kind of like the license plate kind of covers it some. So I think it's pretty hard for people to see where I'm turning. So I bought these new ones. They're flexible so that if you drop it, it doesn't break off as easy anyway. I'm going to be mounting them. I don't know of a good spot to put them. If I put them here, they stick out right in front of the exhaust. If I put them back here, the plastic is not straight up and down and it's at an angle. So the best thing I can think of is down here to where the exhaust should be going above it, and it's right in back for everybody to see. They stick out a little further, and they are LED, and I think they're supposed to be really bright. So you have to put those on. I'm going to mount those right now in that spot. If I don't like them and decide to change them later, I can do that. And it won't really mess anything up because the holes being way down here, you're not really going to see them. And the wires will all be tucked behind everything. So that should be okay. And then I have a jet kit. This is from sixsigmajetkit.com, and they have a ton of information. There's about 10-15 pages here of how to jet different bikes, 2 strokes, 4 strokes, tuning, how to do different things. It tells you how to modify the air box on this bike. Just a lot of useful information. They say to remove the gray wire off of the, I think it's the CDI box, which is already removed. So you don't have to worry about that, but they have a lot of other tips and tricks inside there. So we'll be getting into that. I don't know if I'll get that on video or how much I'll get on video because it'll be a lot of up close, but I'll try and see what I can do. I also don't know how much I'll get in this video. There's not going to be a video this week, which when you see this will be last week, because it was a very stressful week. I had to go to a hearing and everything, and I just didn't have time to film and edit and everything, but hopefully we won't have to go through that anymore, and we'll get this done and see how it goes.